Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can craft a partition wall in Heartopia. So if you want to, let's say, create a separate bedrooms or maybe a stylish walk-in closets, that partition walls are your ultimate tool. And here I'm going to show you the materials you need and how you can craft your own partition wall. So first, you just need to go to your workbench, then click on the create button. Then in here, you can just choose the partition wall option. So I'm going to use this one right here. So the materials you need is the timber and also the quality timber. And then you can just here choose the amount, how many partition wall that you want to create. Let's say I'm going to create 2. Now you can just click on craft and just wait until it is done. Okay, so that's it. This is my partition wall that I just crafted. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.